What's going on, YouTube? So we're back, and yes, we're back with the RX8, and I know you guys have probably got to be getting tired of talking about the RX8s, right? That seems to be all we talk about anymore. I feel like we're not close anymore. So here is the RX8. All right, she's looking really nice, and this is before it's got its full detail done. So we've got some spots on the bumper that I'm gonna see if we can get taken care of. The headlights definitely need a cleaning, so we're gonna get that taken care of. My brother spent quite a bit of time working on the interior, but unfortunately it's just not that easy. This is a very difficult interior to clean. He cleaned it, I came back and I tried to clean it. So between both of us and the amount of time we've spent trying to clean these and how it's just not coming out, I've decided this needs a professional. Big shout out to my brother. He literally spent hours out here trying to clean this car, and he did good. Like, the rest of the car came out really nice. It's just these seats are horrible. Like, the door came out nice, you know, but the seats, man, these seats are just, they're difficult. So the car is going to this place called Auto Spa. It's a local company, a guy very similar to me. His name's Brian. We talked on the phone for, God, probably almost an hour. We started talking about cars and we couldn't stop. So he's someone I'm hoping maybe I can become friends with, because he seems like a real cool guy. But he's going to take care of this car for me, and then we're going to come back and do a review and show what it looks like when he's done. Next, probably the biggest update is we're going to sell it. We're going to sell it. I got it back from Firestone yesterday. The alignment is on point. The alignment is perfect. And I was able to get out yesterday. Hold on. I was able to go to the track yesterday and get it up to 91 miles an hour in third gear. 91 miles an hour in third gear, red line to 9,500 RPM. Let me tell you something. There is just no feeling in the world quite like driving this car. It is so nimble. It handles so precisely. It feels like you are always in control. And you guys that told me to get a 6-speed were right. This thing just beats the hell out of the automatic. It's so much more fun to drive. But we're selling it. Why are we selling it? Because it's time for a new project. You know, this is a great car. This is a fun car. It's a sexy car. People stare. All right, I'm not kidding. You don't see many of these out here. And when I'm driving, it gets looks. When I pull up at a gas station, people stare at it because it's almost like, what is that? It is a sexy car. But I'm gonna let it go, because that is what I do on this channel. I buy cars, we fix them. You know, this car came to us needing rims, needing tires, and needing some suspension work. That's all done. Now she's gonna get a detail. She's gonna look good as new. Okay, close. It's gonna look really good. And I think we're gonna pull 4,000 out of it. I intend to sell it for $4 grand. So as usual, if any of you guys are interested in this car, I'm gonna be listing it for around 4,000. Now that's dependent totally upon how it comes back from detail. Got to get those headlights cleaned. It's going to get waxed. The interior is going to be properly cleaned. If it looks better than I think it's going to look, you know, we may mark it up to 45, but I don't see myself posting it for any higher than 4,500. It's a great car. It is a absolute blast to drive. Got it on the highway and just had some real fun with it. But we're going to sell it because I'm looking for the next project. Now, speaking of the next project, let's go inside and talk about the auto auction from yesterday and what we won or what we didn't win. All right, so I tried to get something yesterday. It just didn't work out. As you can see right here, I was looking at a 2004 Mercedes CLK 320C. This is basically the same thing as a Chrysler Crossfire. For the most part, it's the same car. It looked like it had some light front end damage. High mileage at 211,000 miles. You know, I bid on it until I just wasn't comfortable bidding on it anymore. After that, I bid on this 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. This is a limited edition, beautiful car. I really wanted it. Needed a control arm for sure on the front, as we talked about in the video yesterday. 96,000 miles on the odometer. I bid it up to $1,600 before the bids just it went over my bid, and I just wasn't comfortable bidding anymore on that either. Some of these cars just go really, really high, and you know, you got to really calculate your risk, which is your investment versus your potential resale, and you also have to take into consideration when you are trying to calculate how much you will need to invest in one of these cars, not just the purchase price of the cars, you got to take the tags, title, license fees into consideration, parts, and then include things that you may not even be aware of, oxygen, little things here and there that may need attention. So it's really important to carefully consider and weigh your risk versus reward when bidding on a car from Copart or IAA or any other auction for that matter. So that's going to be it for the video. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Please check out the link below for my merchandise store. Obviously, anything you purchase definitely helps to support the channel. I appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions, like I'm thinking maybe I need to remove the on YouTube text off of the shirts. I've got men's shirts, I've got women's shirts, I've got stickers, but tell me what you think. If you think I need to remove the text that says on YouTube, because maybe it looks tacky, let me know and I'll get that taken care of today. I'm really curious to see what you guys' thoughts are on that. So please check out the store even if you don't buy anything and just tell me what you think of the shirts. Like I said, men's shirts, women's shirts, all sizes. There should be something there that will suit your needs and the prices are very fair. Check out the store, give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it, big thumbs down if you thought it sucked. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, everyone, and I will catch you soon in the next one.